Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want to build trust and social proof on your website, testimonials are a must. So in today's video, I'll make sure to show you how to add a testimonial sliders on Wix in 2026, step by step and fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first thing first, open your device, make sure everything is looking good. Go to your favorite browser and look for wix.com. As for now, tap on wix.com. It will take you to another page where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. If you have more than one site, you should just tap it, select and edit site. It will take you to the dashboard. Now, we want to go and look for an option called Design Site so we can open the editor. So here it is. Design site. It's gonna open the Wix website editor. We're just gonna wait for some seconds till it fully opens. Okay, we're waiting, preparing your site. It will be done in some seconds. Okay, here it goes. As for now, we're gonna go all the way and look at add elements. We have multiple options here. So let's go and actually check every option here. As you see, multiple option, community, my designs. You can basically do whatever you want. Restaurants for me, events, booking, store. You can also check if you want to add an online store. You have this book option, payment, social, embed code. Then we have this list option, as you see. So basically you can pick whatever you want and select it. Choose basically a slider design, pick a testimonial slider layout and add it to your page. Then edit it, click the slider and replace text with real customer reviews. So basically all of this. You can also reorder, drag items to control the slide order as well if you want to. Then all you're gonna do now is publish your site and save it once all is done. So thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.